welcome back to Gifty's Kitchen Delights. For today's recipe, I'm going to share with you how I make my homemade garlic bread. This is so easy to make and it's so delicious, and it's a perfect side for any dish, and it's buttery, garlicky, and so flavorful. So let me show you how to make it. You're going to need one bakery bread of your choice. I got here a baguette that I sliced diagonally, 1/3 cup of butter or spreadable butter that's softened, 3 garlic cloves that's finely minced, 2 tablespoons of cilantro or parsley, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and salt to taste. Start by making the butter garlic spread for the bread. In a mixing bowl, add in the softened butter and cream the butter by using a spatula. Then add in the fresh herb, garlic, salt, and pepper. Mix these in with the butter. Now it's time to spread this mixture onto the bread. So take each sliced bread and spread a generous amount of the garlic butter mixture. French bread is a really good bakery bread to use for this recipe, but today I'm using a baguette because that's what I had in hand. Once all of the bread slices are spread with this garlic butter, place it in a baking pan that is greased and lined with parchment paper. Bake this at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 to 6 minutes. Now, if you like your bread to be more crispy, feel free to keep the bread in the oven for an extra 1 to 2 minutes. This garlic bread is perfect with any dish. I mainly love to serve this with pasta. This recipe is so delicious. If you enjoyed watching this garlic bread recipe, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to see more delicious recipes. And don't forget to check out my previous recipes, and I'll see y'all soon with a new recipe video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!